meaning it does not have a symmetrical shape. This is important, and here we will define symmetrical as having all outside atoms evenly distributed around the central atom. The central atom here is oxygen, and both hydrogens are on one side of the oxygen, which makes it non-symmetrical. The hydrogens are not evenly distributed around the oxygen. Next, we look at bond polarity by the difference in the bonded atom's electronegativity. Electronegativity is a number that gives the relative attraction an atom has for bonding electrons. Higher electronegativities attract electrons more strongly than lower electronegativities. In general, electronegativity values increase across the periodic table from left to right and from bottom to top. You see here that hydrogen has an electronegativity of 2.1 and oxygen has an electronegativity of 3.5. The difference between 3.5 and 2.1 is fairly large, meaning the hydrogen-oxygen bond has a large polarity, which is shown with an arrow pointing toward the non-electronegative atom, in this case oxygen. It is the electronegativity difference that gives the magnitude of the bond polarity, as shown by the length of the arrow. If we view the bond polarities as vectors and add them together, the resulting vector, or arrow, indicates the polarity of the molecule. The blue arrow is called a dipole, showing the uneven distribution of charge on a polar molecule. The arrow indicates the magnitude and direction of the polarity, pointing toward the negative side of the molecule. The symbol delta minus indicates the negative side, and delta plus indicates the positive side. Note these are partial charges, not the full charge that an ion would have. Let's look at a less familiar molecule, sulfur dichloride, with sulfur in the center. The Lewis structure shows two lone pairs on the sulfur, and so it is a bent and therefore non-symmetrical molecule. Cancel. Now let's make the outside atoms different. How will that affect polarity? Here we see the electronegativity differences in the bonds, and thus the bond polarities are different. What will be the result of adding them together? That's right, they add up to a non-zero vector. SCO is a polar molecule with the oxygen side being more negative, the sulfur side being more positive. The symmetry in this case does not cancel the bond polarity, since different outside atoms result in a different cancel. Fluorines are equidistant from each other at 120 degrees. The electronegativities show a large difference in the boron-fluorine bond, resulting in a large bond polarity in each bond. The negativity differences for each bond are no longer the same. The boron-fluorine polarity, we consider an electronegativity difference greater than zero in each polar. Now, if there are polar bonds, then you look at the symmetry of the outside atom, which is determined by the shape of the molecule. Symmetrical shapes are trigonoplanar, tetrahedral, and linear triatomic. Outside atoms are evenly distributed around the central atom. Non-symmetrical shapes are bent and pyramidal, and we include diatomic as a special case, which we will get back to momentarily. Let's keep that list in the corner for reference. The rest of the flowchart summarizes the examples we have just looked at. If polar bonds are not symmetrically distributed, then the molecule is polar. If they are symmetrically distributed, then you have to look at the outside atom. If they are the same, that means the bond polarities cancel, and the molecule is not polar. But if the outside atoms are different, that means the electronegativity differences are giving different magnitudes of bond polarities, and so they do not cancel. Let's take a quick look at diatomic molecules, our example being HCl and Cl2. Because there is no central atom, the bond itself determines the molecule's polarity. For HCl, the bond is polar, and so the molecule is polar. For Cl2, there is no bond polarity, and so the molecule is not polar. Lastly, we will take a brief look at how changes in a tetrahedral molecule.
Okay. So, hindi na natin ilalawak pa yung review, but makita natin yung discussion. So, ito yung tanong, how would we determine determined on two things. Give one, Danaw. The molecular shape and the other is the polarity of bond. Aside from polarity of bond, ano pa ba yung major factor? It is the charges or the measurement of the atom to attract electron to itself, or we call it electronegativity. So, sinasabi daw na if the formula is like this, we just follow kung ano yung polarity ng band. But, pag naging complicated na meron ng mga numbers, like 2 and 4, we will consider the molecular shape. Okay na ba? So, in short, ito lang yung sinasabi. The whole video is summarizes with this. You can read. Makibasa nga sa lugar yun. Paano natin interpret ang guide na ito? Ang salalaki. Okay, so ito lang yung nagiging guide natin in determining the polarity of a molecule. So, for example, balik po tayo sa HCl. HCl. First question. For HCl, is it a polar bond? Yes or no? Yes. So, pag yes, baba tayo doon sa arrow. Draw the shape. Paano natin i-draw ang shape nito? So, i-draw natin siya. Ganun. I-draw the shape and draw the dipole moment. So, saan pupunta yung arrow? Draw the going to Cl. Kasi si Cl ay mas mataas. Ibig sabihin, the tendency of Cl to attract the shared electron is higher than the hydrogen. Then, follow the arrow. We draw the shape. Ito na yung shape. We draw the dipole moment. What is the shape nito? The shape is linear. And draw the dipole moment na draw na. Do the vectors cancel? Ito yung tanong. Nagka-cancel ba ang vector? Vectors didn't cancel. Bakit Aguilar? Okay. So, hindi nagka-cancel ang vector. Going to the right. If the vectors did not cancel, anong sagot? So, the vector cancel, no. If it is no, because hindi siya nag-cancel, so anong tawag natin dito? Polar o non-polar? So, if no, so this is a polar molecule. Okay? Nag-gets ba? So, another example. For example, we have the formula BCl3. Go to the board na. Go to the board. Pakisulat nga ng Lewis dot symbol for BCl3. Anyone? Anyone? The NAVA. Pakisulat ng Lewis dot structure. Sino magiging central atom? Boron. Ito na lang. Para malaki. So, boron is the central atom. Si Cl ay nasa mga gilid. Terminal atom. Tapos sila. The electric negativity of boron is 2.0, while Cl is 3.0. Sino mas malakas umata? Hindi or Cl. So, kung si Cl ang malakas umata, pakilagyan ng dipole moment. Anyone? Aguilar. Dipole moment or arrow? Pointing to say Cl. Second tanong. What is the molecular shape for? Ang gusto mo lang dito. Molecular shape, yung pag-aralan natin. Anyone? Unique. What is the molecular shape na na-form ng PCLC? Ito yung nakaform siya ng 120 degrees, another 120 degrees, and another 120 degrees. So, pyramid. Anyone? Another one. Sino yung nag-report nito? Tambula. What's the shape for? It is okay, trigonal planar. The trigonal planar equals ang distances ng bawat isa. So, sa tingin nyo ba, magka-cancel ang mga arrow? Ha? No. Kasi, gagalaw ba si B, hinahatak siya doon, pero may contra siya dito. Tingin nyo. Nagka-cancel or not? No. It will cancel or not? Or, gagalaw ba si B? Equal distances ang bawat isa. The answer is, since before, the answer is, since balance siya, the B will not move, and mananatili siya sa gitna, because nababalance siya ng tatlo, Cl, which is equally distant to the central atom. Trigonal planar, so, B will not move. So, what type of molecule? Pag hindi siya gagalaw, it is a non-polar. Draw the shape. Draw the dipole moment. Draw the vectors cancel. The vectors were cancel. Kasi, yung dito nakokontra niya doon at nakokontra niya. So, if the vectors cancel, yes. So, pag na-cancel ang vectors, then the answer is a non-polar molecule. Okay, nag-guess yun dito. Medyo komplikado. Pagka-cancel kasi, equally distant from each other sila. Hindi gagalaw ang B, kasi hinahatak siya ng tatlo na parpares ang puwersa na with equal distances. So, the vectors will not cancel. It will not cancel. This is a polar molecule. Okay na. So, groupings na tayo. Ito yung magiging assignment. May tanong ba about sa guide natin? Yung kanina, may tanong ba? May tanong ba about ito? Wala, no? So, for your groupings, ito yung gagawin ng bawat isa. You have to follow the column. For number 1, PCL5. Sino yung group 1? Group number 1. Group number 1, okay na. Magkakatabi ba kayo? So, face each other. Face each other by group. Lima-lima lang, no? O, linya-linya lang naman ito. Okay. So, group 1 ito. Sino yung group 2? Group 2 kayo lang naman. Scattered. Hindi na. Siya lang magiging. And then, group 2. Sino yung group 2? Group 3. Sino? Yan. Group 3. Group 4. Group 5. pag-usapan nyo yung magiging assignment nyo. Number 1, BCL 5. Number 2, BCL 2. Number 3, CH4. Number 4, water. Number 5, SH6. Number 6, LH3. Number 7, BCL 4. Number 8, BCL 8. Number 9, number 10. So, may dala kayong Manila paper. So, pakisulat. I-follow nyo ang column. First, draw the Venus drag diagram. Next, get the electronegativity current. And then, sabihin ang polarity of bulb. And then, sabihin ang molecular shape. And then the last, what's the answer for the polarity of molecule? So, ano lang yan? Ito na ako sa slide. 40 lang. 40 lang. 35. So, tapos na? Tapos na? Okay. Hindi mo tapos na? The moment na matapos ay pakiglagay na dito. Let's post your answer on the board. Let's post your Manila paper. Lagay na lagay. Kung ano, wala kayo ginagawa. Wala bang Manila paper? Meron na. Lagay yung book cover na.
Saan ba siya yan? 3D.
Okay na, pakilagay na ng mga nagawa on the board. Yan, gumagawa ka. Anong group kayo? Ikaw, tapos ka na? Okay, pinipit na. And then, habang nililikin,
So, bago discuss yun. We plan for wala ko rin sa
Ano po lang yan? May tape dito, ano? Dito yung tape. Kailangan mo ng tape.
Ano ba ito dyan? Hindi ka teka.
Okay, so mag-represent na tayo. Kung hindi lahat ng mag-represent ay share na lang natin tomorrow. But today ay
Patanggal na nyo.
okay, let's have no presentation na. Sino yung gumawa nito? Explain ang ginawa nila.
Uy.
Group number 6 tawag natin. Group number 6. Group number 6. Ano to? Wala yung space niya. Group number 5. So let's now go on presentation. Let's call on group number 6. Number 6. Wala na tayong oras kaya bilisan na. Hirap tayo kay mga natin. Hirap tayo ng kunting minutes kay mga. Okay, pumunta na dito yung mga nag-represent. Lahat na nag-read ito. Punta na dito sa isla. Difference in
Morning po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang presentation ng aming group number 6. So, makikita po dito ang tribal movement po, comment po namin is yung bali ang tribal moment po namin dito, so ginamit po namin is trigonal pyramid. So, ang next naman, ang electronegativity naman namin is
So as you can see, for 3.0 is our nitrogen and 2.1 represents our hydrogen that equals to 0.9.
So, anong shape? And polarity is polar. Okay, very good. From group number 6. Sino yung mga nito? Sino yung gumawa nito? Pwede ka lang ng konting oras. Okay. Isa na natin dahil okay, yung mga dito. Isa na. Labas. Kahit isa na lang po sa okay na lahat. Kahit isa na lang. So, ito tapos na to, di ba? Pakitanggal na. O, next. polarity ito. Ang may glass lang yung nagpe-present dito Parang mariyahin sila. So, since marami kayo, at least makapag-present mga lang ang 5 o 10. So, yung gusto may class, tumunta na dito, kabila. Pagkatapos nila, ito naman. Okay, go.
Good morning, everyone. Before
Looks go. BSCL ko lang.
ang lyric structure niya po at people moment is linear.
Walang typo mo. Sige, okay na. Hindi na lagyan. And then, what is the polarity of molecule?
Frequent zero po yung CN, which is and yung ganyan po namin is 1.5. Tapos pinag-minus po namin ang 1.5. Ang polarity of bond niya po is polar. At molecular shape niya po is linear. The polarity niya po is
Okay, so pakibigay na sa akin. Ano nito? Ano naman? Ito.
Good morning, everyone. So this is our presentation in our book, group 1. So the CNFP, which is the lyric structure, P is the center, which is the CN is the greatest, so that is attract, so that is attract the polarity, the P, and the AN or the 2.1 is the E, and 3.1 is the chlorine, which is V minus, and the is the 0.5. Then the polarity of bond is polar bond, and the molecular shape is triangular pyramid, and the polarity is non-polar, which is non-polar because the vectors cancel out.
Okay, since wala na tayong time,
More